As you can see from that little clip, I've just been in an event in Bangkok and I met the CEO of one of probably the greatest Launchpad companies I've ever seen. And I decided to come straight back to the hotel and make a video on this. Not because I want to be their friend, but because I truly believe that all my contacts, and I've actually released a crypto project before, all my contacts that are releasing projects all the time, coming onto my YouTube channel said, hey, can you promote this project? I'm about to launch it. This is the Launchpad that you have to use. And today I'm going to compare it to APE Terminal because that's probably the most popular one that I was actually funneling people to until I saw Tenset. I went on their website, I saw their event, and I thought, you know, I'm going to go speak to them and see if they're there. If APE Terminal were at the event, I would have spoke to them too. But unfortunately, they weren't. So that is already, before we get into this, 1 point to Tenset. So let's get into the video. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Do this for education purposes only. I just like finding really cool platforms, really cool projects in the Web3 space that can help you and, of course, help me. And Tenset does that. So let's have a look. All right, guys, so let's go into exactly why I believe Tenset is the far superior program. So this is a Launchpad where you can come on and at first look, already see all the Burns ecosystem, the market data, okay, and all the available exchanges. It dives straight into not trying to glitter bomb you, okay? And when I say that, I mean not trying to go, hey, we're the best, we're the best, we're the best, we're the best. It's giving you the information you need to choose if you want this to be your Launchpad. Now, they have a huge, huge, huge push on their token. And I actually have just bought some about 25 minutes ago. All right. But their collection of NFTs with lifetime access to the TGLP, I'm going to do a video on that very, very soon. But for this video, I'm going to go into the Tenset token and what it stands for because the CEO explained the mission and vision to me. And I truly think if I can get this across to you, there is no doubt in my mind that you will agree with me that APE Terminal is maybe more popular, but by nowhere as superior. Now, 2% of every Tenset transaction is burned. Another 2% goes to Infinity. Half of the Infinity fee goes to the Tenset token stakers. Okay, the other half to the NFT stakers, and the burn permanently reduces supply and rewards long-term holders. Now, the Tenset runs off the top launchpads in the crypto space, so they use it to support buybacks and provide power utility for the Tenset token. The locked Tenset token get drops daily as well. So by locking this in Infinity, you're just going to get daily drops. So this is all really, really powerful thing. And if we go through some of the Tenset launch projects, you can actually see how incredible it is. StayNext. If you're in the crypto space, you've heard of StayNext. Okay, and you can see here, launch date was October, total raise of 1 million USDT. Okay, going through, we got Crows. I'm pretty certain everybody would be getting involved in these projects if you were in the Web3 space like me. All right, launching on Tenset. There is projects launching on this that I truly believe will be the biggest projects of 2025, and they're using this Launchpad to throw their company out there into the Web3 space. Now, when we go to APE Terminal, of course, you're going to see projects that they have already launched, which is good to see, but you don't see enough about the vision, about the economic rules, about what they actually do, how much market data they've got, what the burn ecosystem is. And this is just on the first page. Guys, we can go into the utilities, all right, talking about the gem launch platform, the marketplace, the Infinity airdrop, the incubator, the governance, go through the berms, the roadmap, the new, everything. But I just want to give you a quick overview. And at first glance, it's always very important. So let's check out APE Terminal. All right, guys, and on APE Terminal, you can see this is not saying I don't like the website. This is saying it looks like a generic meme token website, but it's actually a Launchpad, which at first glance, I probably wouldn't get. All right, you can see the average ROI. I like that that's on the first screen, but as soon as you're on the first glance, all you're seeing is projects that have been done. This one here, how much did this raise? Current and upcoming sales, completed sales. Don't miss out, okay? Buy their token and then launch on the terminal. That's it. When you compare this to what I've just shown you on Tenset, Tenset is far more informational based. This is just saying, oh yeah, all these are launched too, so you should. No, I want to know what is your vision, what is your mission, what's your ecosystem, what's your tokenomics? Why should I choose you? And unfortunately, APE Terminal doesn't have that. Now again, that doesn't mean that APE Terminal is worse. I'm saying it's not as good right now, but that's not the one reason. The other reason is even when you go to transparency, okay? Transparency is fantastic, but I still don't feel comfortable. There's not much in here. All again, it goes straight to completed sale reports. So again, it's just not filling me up with confidence that this is where I want to be. Now, a big thing is I went to the news section and I realized that refund update, app updates, tech ups update, refund update. There actually is nothing on here saying they're going to events. Now, when you look at the Tenset, on their news, it said they're going to a Bangkok event. So what did I do? You saw at the start of the video, I went to the event. I met the CEO. If you could have done that with APE Terminal, I might have been more confident, but you could not. There you go, guys. That is my review. APE Terminal is popular, but by no way or means does it have the power and utility and transparency that Tenset does. And that's why I will only be recommending Tenset going forward with Launchpads until I find one that obviously is better. Thank you to the CEO for taking the time out today to really explain to me the future, the vision, the mission, and obviously allowing me to also come back here with all the knowledge I have to let you know that this is the Launchpad for you. Or my friends that keep messaging me saying, can I launch? Can you do a video for me? This is what I'm going to be sending back to you. Say the like button, hit subscribe, and the bell button, be notified. Let me know in the comments if you used it before. Let me know if you used APE Terminal, and we can discuss it. I'll see you next time.